Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Our spirit wants me to tell you that from the archangels that in the past, we came to the conclusion that we have to let go of certain things of the past. We didn't give up on our loved ones, and there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You're not alone, your angels are with you always. Let go of negative energies. It was time to act and get back to basics. We did let go of a lot of things that don't serve us, and took control of our lives. There were obstacles to overcome, but we also got increase in material wealth and spiritual growth. This is at the moment bringing contentment in all areas of our lives. There was a period of illness, and that is could be depression even. And the angels showered us with love and care, and we found security and a helping hand through the divine. And that is helping us keep our lives in balance. In the future, we have to release our worries and regrets to the angels because there's no need to worry about these things anymore. It's in the past. Something great is coming our way. Stay balanced. You have what it takes to succeed. You're ready. Believe in yourself and trust the divine. Yes, you will get news very shortly. It's coming in very soon. It's going to have lots of great personal sorrow for you, but it's temporary. It's not going to last forever. You're starting to see things clearly now, and you realize that hidden secrets can harm you, but there's also good luck coming your way. You have to be patient just for that little bit longer and take care that you don't lose material wealth. Trust that you are highly thought of by the angels and the universe. You are much closer to a breakthrough than you think. You have been praying for things to heal, new opportunities, things to go better in your relationships, and many other prayers. And your prayers are being answered soon. Have a lovely day, everybody. God bless you.